Well, hello, and I hope you're having a great day just as I am. Today's video is all about the Colorpop Halo Top collaboration called Birthday Cake. But before we begin, if you're new to my channel, my name is Kathy and great to have you. If you like this video, make sure to do a big thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe button below and don't forget the bell so that you'll be notified when future videos come on board. So anyways, let's talk about this Colorpop collaboration with Halo Top Creamery collaboration. This is so cute, it's too sweet to miss, quite honestly. And this is called Birthday Cake. And look at the packaging on this. Isn't that just adorable? Let me see if I can get out of there. And then on the back, you can see the two colors right here. They're like ice cream scoops and just adorable. Look at that. So anyways, let's jump on board and talk about this. So we take off the top and we open it up and we have two pots of color right here. And one of them is by the pound, which was right here. And this is like a corally orange kind of shade with multi-dimensional glitter. So let me open it up for you and look at that. Wow. It looks pretty awesome in the pan, but I do have it on right now. So this is the first one. The second one is called Extra Sprinkles. It's a pale champagne color with large gold glitter. Look at that. Really pretty. So let me put some swatches on. First we're going to go for the Extra Sprinkles. There we go. And put it on. Goes on nice and soft. Look at that. Very nice. And then we're going to put on the by the pound, which is the corally orange color, which don't be intimidated by it because it is not, you know, that's something that's just too out there. It comes off very soft. So let me put it on the back of my hand. Goes on very smooth. But you can see them, this beautiful orange really comes off nice, and it has glitter in it, believe it or not. And I have the look on right now, and it says these are pots. I had to dip into one of my existing palettes that I do have, and I used, you know, for some supplemental colors. So I used my white peach palette from Too Faced, and I used the color Peach Suede all over my eyes, and then underneath right here I used Peach Passion right there for a different kind of you know, that addition to my underline. Make sure you don't put it in your waterline because that could be dangerous, and I would just stay away from that because you have glands and a whole bunch of stuff, and you really don't want to jeopardize your eyes because you got them, those are the ones you got. So anyways, let me show you. You can see it's very soft look, even though it does have those oranges and all that. Let me give you some pointers on this one. I would suggest you use a flat, firmer brush so they'll give you the biggest color payoff. If you want, you know, more of a blendable and you want to blend it and you know, make it with other colors, I would use a fluffier brush. This is vegan and cruelty free. And just want to let you know there's other kits available like this. They have the rainbow swirl, which is pink tones. Then they have the strawberry, which is the pink and the red. And then they have a mint chip. Same cute idea like this in this little box. And the mint chip is a pastel lime green. It's really beautiful. And this goes for $12, and it is an exclusive to you know, Colorpop. And you know, I just think at $12, you know, $6 a pot, which is their going rate for pots anyways, but this is a really nice set. And I will be linking below everything that I'm wearing. And hope you enjoy this video and have a great one. Talk to you soon.